Hard Money Nation, what's going on? How y'all doing today, man? I'm back at you with another video today. Today we're going to continue our segment on how to become a notary signing agent. In the previous video, we talked about what a notary signing agent is and how much you can expect to make as a notary signing agent. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you check that out in the How to Become a Notary Signing Agent playlist on the YouTube channel, on my channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. Hit that red subscribe button so you are not missing a beat. If you are, I thank you for subscribing. Make sure you're hitting the like button, sharing the videos. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So today we're going to talk about the first step that you need to take to become a notary signing agent, which is becoming a notary public in your state. So whatever state you're at, becoming a notary public. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's get it.
Hey, hey,
Alright, so I know this is kind of weird. I went and got my hair done in the midst of this video, but let's get back to it. So we're talking about exactly how to become a notary public, as that is the first step to becoming a notary signing agent. So to get started with that, you have to figure out how that process is in your particular state on how to apply to be a notary public. Being a notary public, you have to have a clean background as far as that criminal record is concerned. So if you do have some sketchy things on your criminal background, it might not work depending on how sketchy. If you have felonies and things like that, I don't think you're going to be able to get approved to become a notary public in your state. You have to be commissioned. So in order to do that, what you would want to do is type in your state. So for me, Maryland, and then you're going to type in notary public application. Okay, so notary public application. Once you Google that, what you would want to do is look for any results that show your state.gov. All right, so your state, the state websites do not use .com or .co or .net. They use .gov. So that's what you want to make sure you're in the official website. Here is one secretary. So it's usually handled by the Secretary of State, by the way. So that's who's going to actually give you your commission. So that's how you would know which one to actually click on here. I see Maryland Office of the Secretary of State, Notary Division. So you'll go there. It's very simple. Apply for a new notary commission. That renew your notary commission. Check the status of a submitted application, update your notary information. It tells me the fees right here. Notary application fee, there is a $9 application fee to file a new notary application, which is non-refundable even if the application is denied by the Secretary of State. Additional fee is $2 service fee for taking the payment. So it'll give you exactly the details on what how much it is, and so on. So what you want to do is apply for a new notary commission application. It's letting you know before you complete the online application, you will need your name, address, phone number, and email of 3 references. That's usually standard, and they will check with the references. So the references that you give, make sure they're people that are checking their emails or picking up the phone calls of different numbers that's not saved in their actual phone book. Without their actual them talking to your references, they're not going to approve your application. So just make sure that the references that you put are reliable people that will pick up the phone or answer an email. So with that being said, they're going to ask you for simple things: your name, address, work history, address history. They're going to ask you about your criminal record, if whether you do or you do not have one, things like that. And you'll fill in the application, send it in. And they'll make a decision depending on the state you're in, how long it takes. It just varies. I know in the state of Maryland, it could take anywhere from 7 days to 2 to 3 weeks. And that usually depends on how many applications they have currently, and also how quickly your references can get back to them. So once you have this done and you are a notary public. Like once you're officially commissioned, what's going to happen is once they approve your application, they're going to ask you to come down to the courthouse, and then you're going to actually swear in to become a notary. So there is that process. You actually have to swear in. They'll give you a certificate just certifying you as a notary public in that state. Once you have that, then you could take the next step into becoming a notary signing agent. Okay, so know the difference between a notary public and a notary signing agent. They're two different things, right? So the notary public, what that basically does is lets the state trust you at a higher level than the average citizen, right? So you're commissioned by the state to oversee certain things as a witness, right? So you're an official witness of the state. So you notarize documents saying you witnessed the person sign that document. Depending on your state, there's limits to how much you can make to notarize a document. Here, I think it's about $4.50. That's the max you can actually charge somebody notarizing a document. That does not that's indifferent to how much you can charge them if you're traveling to them, right? So if somebody needs a notary to come to them and notarize a document, I can only charge them $4.50 to notarize the document, but I can charge them whatever I like for the travel fee, right? So things like that to kind of get around. So you could still make money just as a notary public, but the real bag is as a notary signing agent, and that's what we're trying to get to. So this is the first official step to get to being a notary signing agent. So with that being said, if you got any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. If you like the video, make sure you're hitting the like button for me. I appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I am gonna make more videos on how to get to from step 1 to becoming a notary signing agent on this particular playlist. So make sure you're tuned in, subscribe, like, comment. I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, hey.